Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace a battery on the Motorola Moto G9 Power mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then follow with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charger port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the car pry tool and gently move around the phone to release the plastic clips on the frame. Next, hold the fingerprint button and gently pull out the back cover. If needs, add some heat to loosen the button adhesive. Next, take out the board frame by undoing 9 screws. Next, disconnect the battery plug. And then disconnect the main flex plug. Next, remove the not working battery from the body. First, apply heat to soften the glue on the battery. For this, we are using a heat gun. Once you feel the heating is enough, use a car pry tool to cut the adhesive under the battery. And once you have some space, use a pry tool or something similar to lift the battery. This process may take time, and always be gentle. Take out the battery and then place the new battery with adhesive. Next, connect the main flex plug and then connect the battery plug. Next, place the board frame by adding 9 screws. Next, turn on the device for testing. Finally, snap in the back cover and run through the sides to secure the clips. Make sure the fingerprint button is secured. And also at the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.